Alright guys, today we are gonna open a 9-volt battery and see the inside. Let's see what we got. It's an energized brand. Alright, let's see. Where the glove? Honestly with you, I have never done it before, so interesting. I think these are smaller batteries. I think these are 1.5 volt each. So we got 6 of them. So altogether they make 9 volts. That makes sense. Okay. This is the aluminum shielding, and these are the positive and negative sides, the heads, and I think these are 1.5 smaller batteries. They are connected serial, so they add up 9 volts. Let's open one of the smaller ones. Let's see. Well, apparently I didn't do a good job opening the smaller ones. But what we have seen that a 9-volt battery is basically made of 6 smaller 1.5 batteries. So there's really nothing special. I don't know what this chemical is. So I'll just stop at this point. Maybe in another video, we better open a standalone 1-volt battery.